Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix if Notepad is not working in Windows 11 operating system. So Notepad is basically a lightweight text editor that comes pre-installed in Windows 11, and you can use it to create some simple reminders, notes, or edit some text files. But if it is not working as expected, this video guide can help you to resolve the problems with Notepad. So let's start with solution number 1. As per solution number 1, you have to simply restart the system. Since Notepad comes pre-installed with system, it is usually the app using system files, and if you restart the system, the problem may be fixed with the Notepad app. Next, we have solution number 2. In this case, I suggest to repair and reset the Notepad app. For this, you have to right click on the start button and select settings. In the settings app, go to apps, then installed apps. Under list of installed apps, search for Notepad. Once you locate Notepad, click on 3 dots next to it and select advanced options. Now in the advanced options screen, scroll down until you find reset heading. Here you have to first click on the repair button to repair the Notepad app. This won't affect the app data. And check if the problem is resolved with that. In case if the repair option doesn't work, then you have to hit here reset button, and this will delete the app's data and sign in details. So once you acknowledge that, you can simply hit the reset button and the app will be reset to the default state, and the problems you are facing with Notepad should be fixed instantaneously. Up next, we have solution number 3. So if you are using any other third-party text editor that may conflict with Notepad, and if that is the root cause, you can resolve the problem by going to settings app, then apps, then installed apps, and then find out the third-party text editor and simply click on 3 dots next to it and select uninstall. Once you uninstall the third-party text editor, the conflict with Notepad native app will be resolved and the Notepad should work properly then. Next, we have solution number 4. This problem may also occur due to system file corruption. So what you need to do is just open the terminal app, right click on the start button and select terminal admin. In the user account control confirmation prompt, click yes. Now in the terminal app, click on the drop down button next to the plus icon and select command prompt. In the command prompt window, type sfc /scan now and press the enter key. Let this sfc command completed successfully. It will repair the corrupted files on system. In case if it fails to repair the corrupted files on the system, you can again open the command prompt tab in the terminal app and paste this command from the video description. This is basically DISM command which will restore health for your system, and this will completely fix the system file corruption. And finally, we have solution number 5 for this video. In this case, I suggest to uninstall the Notepad app. So simply search for Notepad app and here click on the uninstall option. In the confirmation prompt, click uninstall. You can see that Notepad is being uninstalled. In few moments, the Notepad app will be removed from the system. Once it is removed, you have to restart the system, and after restarting the system, open the Microsoft Store app. Search for Notepad here. From search results, select Windows Notepad. Since the app is already uninstalled from the system, you will see the get button here. Just click on this get button and in few moments Notepad will be reinstalled to your system, and this should finally fix the problem on your system. If you are still facing the issues with Notepad, do let me know your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.